Now let us introduce the multifunctional high-altitude wiring pliers. First, we decide how many sections we need based on the operating height of the field experiment. Now let's introduce the wiring of the contact resistance. First, connect the instrument line. We need to select upper current and lower voltage before wiring. Then simulate. Once you find the height, press down hard to lock it. After the connection is completed, we can start the experiment normally. After the experiment, tap the bottom of the wire clamp. You can open the locking device and remove it. High-altitude wiring pliers demonstration test completed.